Hey, if you're thinking about buying this model of battery replacement for your Panasonic camera, think again. Yeah, I bought this battery not too long ago as a backup for my Panasonic. I wasn't doing the unboxing videos at that time, but this is not too long ago. So I put it away. And recently I needed this battery. So I followed the instructions, plugged it in, and let it charge for 4 hours. And at the end of the 4 hours, I checked it and nothing happened. I gave it a couple of tries and the battery never charged. I was really disappointed in it. So, if you're looking to buy this particular model, think twice because I'm not going to recommend this model. So, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and supporting us. We will be posting new videos like this and much better videos in the coming weeks and months. So thank you and have a great day.